Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial. How to add money to Apple Pay without a debit card in 2025. If you're tired of being limited by traditional banking options or just want more flexibility, this guide is perfect for you. Apple Pay has evolved a lot, and by 2025, there are some awesome alternatives that make adding funds easier than ever. Let's jump right in. First off, why would you need to do this? Maybe you're waiting for a new debit card, or perhaps you prefer not linking your bank directly. The good news is, Apple has integrated features like Apple Cash and partnerships with other services to make this seamless. To start, make sure you have the latest version of iOS installed on your device. That's crucial for 2025 updates. Step 1. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone or iPad. If you don't have Apple Cash set up, go ahead and add it. Apple Cash allows you to add money directly from your linked credit card or even through other digital wallets. Once you're in, tap on your Apple Cash card and look for the Add Money option. This is where the magic happens without needing a debit card. Next, for 2025, Apple has enhanced integration with services like PayPal or Venmo. You can link your account by going to Settings, Wallet and Apple Pay, Add Money, and select From Another Wallet. Follow the prompts to connect and transfer funds securely. It's quick and encrypted for your safety. Another method is using a credit card directly. If you have one linked, simply select it as your funding source in the Wallet app. Apple Pay now supports instant transfers from credit lines, but remember to check for any fees. Pro tip: always review transaction limits to avoid surprises. Apple might cap amounts for security reasons. If you're using a family sharing setup, you could even receive money from family members via Apple Cash, which then gets added to your Apple Pay balance. This is great for younger users or shared finances. Finally, once your funds are added, you're good to go for payments, both online and in stores. That's it for this tutorial. Adding money to Apple Pay without a debit card is straightforward in 2025 with these methods. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.